Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Tired of your fruits and veggies spoiling too quickly? The FreshMage fruit storage containers are here to make your fridge routine easier and smarter. With their airtight design and removable colander, you can wash, drain, and store your produce all in one container. No extra bowls needed. They help keep your fruits and vegetables fresh and crisp for much longer, saving you both time and money. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes just seconds. Keep your fridge organized and your food fresh. Check out the link below to get yours today. Tired of messy cabinets filled with pans and trays sliding everywhere? This adjustable bakeware rack keeps your bakeware neatly organized and easy to grab. With customizable dividers, you can fit cookie sheets, muffin tins, and cutting boards perfectly. No more stacking or scratching. It fits right into most kitchen cabinets or pantry shelves, saving space and keeping things tidy. Made from sturdy, high-quality materials, it's durable and simple to set up, no tools needed. Keep your kitchen clean, organized, and stress-free. Tap the link below to get yours and make cabinet clutter a thing of the past. Tired of tumbler lids cluttering your cabinets and countertops? This tumbler lid organizer is the perfect fix. Designed with a slim, space-saving shape and a sturdy 9-inch bar, it holds multiple lids vertically, keeping your space neat and organized. The weighted, non-slip base ensures it stays steady, even when full, so you don't have to worry about tipping or sliding. It's great for kitchen counters, shelves, or inside cabinets, wherever you need extra order. Keep your drinkware lids in one tidy spot and make your kitchen look instantly cleaner. Check out the link below to grab yours today. Running out of space for your coffee mugs and teacups? This coffee mug organizer is the perfect way to take control of your cabinets. Its expandable and stackable shelf design lets you neatly store mugs, cups, or other small kitchen items while doubling your storage space. It's ideal for keeping your kitchen cabinet or pantry organized and clutter-free. The sturdy build holds your mugs safely, and its clean, modern look fits any kitchen style. Say goodbye to messy stacks and hello to smart, space-saving organization. Click the link below to grab yours today and make your kitchen feel instantly more spacious. Tired of carrying cleaning supplies back and forth? This wearable cleaning caddy organizer keeps everything within reach. With a comfortable handle, shoulder straps, and 4 foldable dividers, you can organize sprays, cloths, and tools your way. It's perfect for housekeepers, home use, or even keeping your car supplies tidy. Lightweight, sturdy, and easy to carry, cleaning just got simpler. Click the link below to get yours and make every cleanup effortless. Struggling to keep your fridge organized and your food fresh? These clear fridge organizer bins with lids are the perfect solution. They're stackable to save space, and the BPA-free design keeps your fruits, veggies, and drinks safe. With a built-in drain tray and anti-slip base, your produce stays dry and secure while everything stays neatly in place. Perfect for creating a clean, organized fridge where you can see exactly what you have at a glance. Click the link below to grab yours and transform your fridge into a clutter-free, fresh food haven. Tired of reaching across the table for condiments or snacks? The Lazy Susan Revolution. Full set makes every meal easier. This expandable turntable fits rectangular and oblong tables, bringing everything within easy reach for family and friends. Its patented design spins smoothly and holds dishes securely, making mealtime more convenient and organized. Perfect for kitchens, dining rooms, or even parties, it keeps your table clutter-free and accessible. Click the link below to get yours and make sharing at the table effortless. Struggling with messy rice bags or stale grains? The rice dispenser is here to make your kitchen life simpler. This BPA-free, sealed, and moisture-proof container keeps your rice fresh and protected, while the included measuring cup makes portioning quick and easy. Its sleek design fits perfectly in your pantry or countertop, keeping everything organized and accessible. Say goodbye to spills and wasted rice and hello to effortless storage and serving. Click the link below to grab yours and keep your kitchen neat, tidy, and stress-free. Tired of cluttered countertops while doing the dishes? This over-sink dish. Drying rack is the perfect solution. Made with silicone-wrapped bars, it's foldable and rollable, so you can easily store it when not in use. The large anti-slip design lets you dry dishes, pots, and even fruits right over the sink, keeping your counters dry and organized. Multi-purpose and durable, it's perfect for any kitchen setup. Click the link below to get yours and make dish drying faster, cleaner, and more convenient. Struggling with cluttered closets, bathrooms, or laundry rooms? This 5-pack stackable closet storage basket set is here to help. These multifunctional foldable organizers make it easy to store clothes, towels, toiletries, or kitchen items while saving valuable space. Their stackable design lets you maximize vertical storage in wardrobes, cabinets, or shelves, keeping everything neat and accessible. Durable yet lightweight, they're perfect for any room in your home. Click the link below to grab your set and transform your cluttered spaces into organized, stress-free storage. Tired of messy kitchen drawers and scattered utensils? This LifeWit silverware organizer with lid keeps your spoons, forks, knives, and other cutlery neatly in place. With 6 separate compartments and a protective lid, it's perfect for keeping everything organized and dust-free, whether in a drawer or on the countertop. Made from durable plastic, it's easy to clean and built to last. Keep your kitchen tidy and your utensils within reach at all times. Click the link below to grab yours and enjoy a clutter-free kitchen. Tired of stacking pots and pans in messy cabinets? This under cabinet. Pots and Pans Organizer keeps your cookware neatly arranged and easy to access. With 8 adjustable tiers, it fits everything from stock pots and Dutch ovens to cast iron pans and heavy cookware. Its sturdy design ensures your pots stay secure while maximizing your cabinet space. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and hello to effortless organization. Click the link below to get yours and make your kitchen more functional and tidy. Looking for a smarter way to prep meals? This 3-set BPA-free food storage container comes with airtight, leak-proof lids and removable trays, perfect for lunches or meal prep. Keep your food fresh, organized, and easy to carry. Click the link below to grab yours today. Struggling with cluttered spaces? This 5-shelf hanging door organizer is the perfect solution. With 5 large capacity pockets, it fits perfectly behind any door, providing extra storage for your bedroom, bathroom, pantry, or nursery. Keep toiletries, snacks, toys, or essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. Simple to hang, durable, and space-saving, it transforms unused door space into functional storage. Click the link below to get yours and declutter your home effortlessly. Tired of messy fridge shelves and toppled soda cans? This stackable soda can organizer keeps your drinks neatly in place. With dividers and a built-in dispenser, it makes grabbing a can quick and easy while saving space in your fridge, kitchen, or pantry. Stackable, sturdy, and organized. Your beverages are always within reach. Click the link below to get yours and keep your fridge perfectly tidy. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.